In the chat asked when SMCI can go outside day, which I think is actually a really good question. Let me pull up charts like this. So you have the daily chart here, right? What you want to do, outside day is aggressive, fair. But first things first, you want to at least be hitting the 50% of orb, and you want to be hitting ADR. So when do I see that happening? Because I was short SMCI, right? I see that happening after this happens. So actually, I'll pull up the 5 and the 15. So this happens on the 5. I got kicked out, right? It went down here and I got kicked out. I want to say break even. I can't remember. But when this starts going against you, you feel concerned because notice you're open here, right? You start to feel concerned and it's like, okay, maybe I can live through this. But what you see is this fail to down on the 15, right? That for me, it's indicating that we're going up. What else is helping that indication? The fact that the indices are flying. So like if I look here on the indices did the same thing, right? It went down and then it flipped long, and it's not just like pedaling along, it has moved. So that's telling me that there's quite a bit of strength in the market. You can see the Qs have done something similar, really strong moves up. So 2 seconds. Okay, I just got stopped out of my last NVIDIA for this week. So knowing that the market is aggressive, even seeing this, right? Like AMD, NVIDIA, mostly NVIDIA, Hood, right? I'm seeing across the market, there's quite a bit of strength. So I'm thinking this hammer, not a hammer, this fail to down doesn't feel good for a short, right? And I see my time frame continuity is green as hell. So any short that I was taking, it has to go or I need to get out, which I did, right? So this is my first indication that we could be going outside day. Then this flips the day, right? This flips the day green. And now I'm full time frame continuity green, right? It was everything but the day, but now it's all of it. So what this is telling me is the first thing I need to do is make a new high of day, right? And so outside day, again, can be aggressive, but you want to have your targets, right? So first target here, new high of day. Second target here, 50% orb. And then you also have this Browning formation. You can see it better over here. This Browning formation. So I need to cross that and get above it, right? Then if I hit ADR and stay above both ADRs, so this one and this one, I'm feeling super confident in outside day, right? Because I have passed the previous open of the previous day, right? So in terms of like you feel confident for outside day down here, that's aggressive. I've said it a couple times, but I just want to make sure that that's clear. Once I flip the day green, I'm gaining more confidence. Outside day is still aggressive at this point. Really, my first target needs to be, I need to close above new high of day. And I've done that, right? And so as I'm moving up, because for me, I'd be trading 0 days as well, right? So as I'm crossing these targets, I need to be moving my stop. If you're playing next week's, you could have a little bit more space, but that's how I would go about sorting out where I'm going and what the next target is and will look like.